Marriage performed under duress or by force does happen. That could be arranged marriages, forced marriages. Me personally, don't believe in that. I believe in arranged marriages if that's the right thing and it's done correctly. But forced marriages, I don't believe in. I think that's wrong. I think it's a terrible thing to do. I think you should never force anybody under duress or by force. I think it's a form of coercion, and I think it's incredibly, for men to do that to women is very misogynistic. I think it's terrible. So yeah, I'm not a fan of that. Marriage between close relatives, incest. Well, this I think can actually happen more than people realize, because some people end up that they don't know who their father is, or they don't know or they don't know who their mother is, and they've been brought up by adoptive parents or something, and then they meet someone and they think, oh, we're so alike, and then they find out things, and sometimes, but really, again, that should all be communication. All trust issues that should all be found out before you get married, but most people don't always realize, and that's because so many people used to hide records and did things. So it's a very complicated situation. However, it can get resolved, but very difficult. So anyway, if any of these issues, or you are worried about these issues, or you're worried about something could lead to divorce, or you're actually getting over an annulment, or you feel something you've has happened to get to an annulment, but you also want therapy to help you with that, please contact me at www.richclark.net. And with that, please, when you do that, it's a free discovery call, which is 30 minutes. We find out what your issues are, and then we work out whether you can go to a mini session for £55 for 40 minutes to find out if we work as well as a therapist and client, or we actually set a program for you and how that can work. And sometimes that can become sometimes a bit more ad hoc for certain things, because some people find out there's more issues with what they've got. But mostly we try and keep things as narrowed as we can, because people want to see change quickly, they want to see it progress, and they want to see things move on.